Hey super coders, hello everyone. As you have noticed the thumbnail today, we're going to make a very interesting project which is the website. So if this video is very long then don't leave. We are just going to create a very interesting thing in this session. And let's open first just go to the website and just open the code.org website. Okay, and then just sign in with your account, and if you have not account then you can just create it, and then just go to create and choose the app now, like this. Okay, and after that what you need to do is see, first just rename your project. I'm just renaming it as my channel website. So I'm just creating a website for my YouTube channel. Okay, so this website is for my YouTube channel. So now let's go to design, and I'm just going to give the theme to once again my favorite pink color. It means bubblegum theme. I'm just going to give here, and after that, I'm just going to put here the buttons. Okay, so there will be about us buttons, communities buttons, and also the gallery. And in the gallery, I will just upload the pics of my that projects, okay, which I have just created my famous projects which are very nice. Okay, so first will be the about us, then the second should be for gallery. Yeah, gallery. Third should be of communities. Third should be of communities. Yeah, communities. I think the spelling is wrong, or it's correct. Please tell in the live chat if it's wrong or correct. Okay, so I'm just giving it size 13 because its letters are very big, that's why. So now I just need to put here my channel's photo. Oh, I just created the wrong one. Yeah, I'm just putting my channel's photo. I'm just going to give my asset of, where is it? Yeah, so right down here is my channel's logo. So I'm just going to upload this one. Yeah, you can see. Oh, it's just taking some time because of the network issue. Okay, so there's some network problem. That's why it's just taking time. Not to worry. In some minutes, it will be coming. Okay. Okay, so you can just make it very beautiful. I'm just also simply adding here one more text. Okay, so the text will be Shubhangi Coding and Magical World. Yeah, Shivhangi Coding and Magical World. And as this is my channel's name, and after that, I'm just going to give the background color to the transparent, or you can just give this color only background, this color, or I'm just giving transparent so that it will be easy. Yeah, and now I'm just going to yeah, give this some big. Yeah, so let's make it little bit big. Yes, I think it's okay now. The size is okay of it. And after that, I'm just going to create the button's name of about us. Okay, so that it will not create the problem for me. About us button gallery, so that I can know. Now button communities. So the button communities. And after that, let's create for the about us. Okay, so for the about us, I'm just going to put here the text area. Okay, or I can say label. You can just put the text area too, but I'm not putting. I'm just putting the label. And also I want to put the photo. And don't use the photo slide because for for I think those type of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and all. But I'm not putting. Okay. Okay, so it's just taking some time to load. Let's wait. Yeah, let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, so this is my chance picture. Okay, it is coming now, and I'm just going to make it very bigger. Okay, I'm just going to make it really big. And now I think this is okay for it. And now I'm just going to add the text. So already in the Microsoft Word I have written it, and I just need to open the it. Okay, so my website. Yeah. So this is the text. I'm just copy pasting it. Yeah. Oh no, I just done here a mistake. I just what happened? I just done a mistake. I just closed it by the mistake. I'm just going to open it once again. The Coda2RG website. I just done it by mistake. Yeah. So now the my channel website. Okay. So now let's see. Yeah. So in the screen one also I just need to put the screen home. Okay, so it's my screen home so that I can know when I will code and it will not make me confused. And now screen about us. Oh, so screen about us. Okay, so actually I'm just creating it for my channel. This website is for my channel. Okay, I wanted to make a website in the app lab because when you will go in web lab you will not know nothing जब तक जो है वेब लैब नहीं पढ़ लिया जाए तब तक जो है कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा। इसलिए जो है ऐप लैब तो सबको आता है इसलिए जो है इजीली बन सकता है ऐप लैब में भी वेबसाइट। ओके सो द बैकग्राउंड कलर शुड बी once again transparent. You can just put it at the text area but I am not putting, and you can just give the text size to 15. Yeah, 15 will work. एंड ये थोड़ा सा अजीब एंड मिस्ड लग रहा है शायद, या थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है बट इट्स ओके. I just added so much of text, so I'm just going to make the picture little bit smaller. Yeah, and I'm just adding a button of back so that the viewer can just go back and see the next. Okay, so the button I just forgot. I just put by mistake button the back. Okay, so that the viewer can go back and see my whole website. So now you can just give the text size anything, and if you're putting this theme so uski, so you will just got the font about like that only which will suit on it. So I think now it's looking nice. And after the screen about us, let's make the new screen. So screen should be screen gallery. Now the screen gallery. So in screen gallery, what should be there? I just need to add my photos of my best projects. I'm just going to open the Coda2RG website, taking the screenshot. Once again, the network issue. Okay, now let's enter it. But I'm just going to open the home page of it. Okay, so I'm just going on view more and I'm just selecting my best projects and I'm just going to take its screenshot and put it for there. Oh, it will just take some time because I'm just going to put it like this, or you can just open it and I'm just putting it like this. I'm just putting it in the screen. I'm just pasting it here as a screenshot and I'm just saying it as my website one. Okay, so it has been automatically saved. Now let's open another of these projects to see. Yeah, this one I need. Yeah, my calculator project. Okay, my maze game. Okay, only those projects of which I have made it the video. Okay, yeah, my Pikachu game. I think this will be enough, or you can add more. But I think it's enough. Yeah, it's enough for it. And my Spotify logo and the Gmail logo too. Okay, so now it's enough. I'm just going to put this much only. After the logo one, this one. Okay, I think this project's video I have made but not posted yet. Okay, so I will just post it very soon. Website too. Hey, मैंने जो है इस ऐप का जो है मैंने बनाया है बट मैंने जो है I just forgot to post the video. So now the of this one, I'm just going to take the screenshot and pasting it right down here, and I'm just saving it like this by website 3. And after that, let's go to the next one, my maze game, which I just done a lot of hard work for it. Okay, I'm just pasting it right down here, and I'm just saving it as website 4. Yeah, the fourth picture. It's that's why. And now my Pikachu game. It's also made it in the game lab. Okay, so I have my paint. I'm just pasting it right down here, saving it as my website 5. And after the website 5, my Spotify logo. Okay, so now my Spotify logo. Okay, website 6. And after that, my website 7. I'm just naming it like that so that I can know the picture's name. Okay, so yeah. Once again, some network issue. It's okay, let's wait for some minutes. And till then, I'm just saving it as my website 7. I'm just putting only 7 photos. You can just add more. I'm having so many of the projects, but I'm just posting that projects only which I have uploaded the video. And the video of this project I will upload soon, not to worry. Okay, and now I'm just going to take so many images here. So in the screen gallery, my image. And also I wanted to in the screen about us, I'm just going to do it as back going one. Back one. Yeah. Okay, and in the screen gallery, we can just put it like that only. Okay, let's put some images here or assets. Okay, it's just taking some time to load. Okay, let's wait for minutes. Yeah, so now upload it. Yeah, I'm just going to upload it. It's in the pictures. Okay, so website. Okay, so website 1 picture. I'm just first uploading all of these. Now the website 2, the website, and now my website 4. Oh, what happened? It is just taking some time to come. Okay, well, let's do it once again. Website 4. Oh, why it's not coming? I think some issues are there of network. Let me see. Yeah, it has been uploaded now. After the website 4, the website 5. Yeah, so it's just uploading. It's just taking some time due to the network. It will just take some time to upload the picture. So let's wait for some minutes so that it will upload. Till then, I'm just going to clear my pages. I'm just closing these pages. File website successfully uploaded. Yeah, now the website 6. I just named it as website only so that I can know. And it will just not confuse me. Now the website 7. It will be uploaded soon, okay? And you can just upload the picture of it here in these videos also the code is showing. Okay, but it's okay. It will not create any problem. Okay, let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes so that our last picture be uploaded. Oh, problem. Very website 7. Yeah. Let's upload it. It all have been uploaded. So first my website. Where is my website 1? PNG. Yeah, first the website 1 PNG. Anyone cannot see it really clearly. But it's okay. Okay, so now some more images. I think we just need to skip one. Oh, so now the website 2. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, website 2. Now the website 3. .png. Now my website 4. Yeah. Now my website 5. The website 6. Yes, I'm just going to give the size a little bit bigger. Or you can do one more thing here. You just add two pictures only and you can just put here a next button. Okay, first let's make it little bit bigger first. Yeah. So I'm just for now, I'm just putting here also a button now for next. Okay, so the next button. And after that, the new screen off screen gallery 2. And now what I'm doing is I have just done there a mistake. I just forgot to put the back button. Okay, so the back button, yeah, the button of back, so that the viewer can go back and see the other photos and all. Okay, and after that the screen gallery too. I'm also going to put here in button and here also in button. Okay, so for it should be back 2, back 2, and this should be back 3. Okay, and after the back 3, I'm just leaving it for now. Okay, let's leave it for now. It will just take so much of time. So I'm just removing this and मैं अभी के लिए जो है बस स्क्रीन गैलरी में दो दो पिक्स डालूंगी क्योंकि अभी जो है ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है एंड अभी हम लोग को लिंक्स भी डालने हैं इसलिए जो है मैं नेक्स्ट बटन को भी रिमूव कर देगी. ओके सो इससे जो है हम लोग स्किप कर देते हैं बट यू कैन ऐड टू मेक इट मोर ब्यूटीफुल. Screen. Now the screen about the communities. Now the screen community. So here I'm just going to put the buttons. Okay, so I'm having totally three communities. Yeah, so totally I'm having three communities. So first is my Telegram. I don't think we will just get any Telegram photo here. But let's try Telegram. This television. Telegram. No, no. You will not get it. So simply just type the Telegram. You will only get for the Facebook and all. You will not get for the Telegram. And for the Discord तो नहीं मिलेगा कभी भी. Okay, so for the Discord you will also not got. And now for the Google Classroom you will also not got. Okay, so for the Google Classroom you will only got for the Facebook. Okay, only for the Facebook you can got, and another nothing. Okay, I'm just putting it right down here in the middle, and also I can put here the click button too. So we are having both options. So let's do these both here too. So first will be the button Discord, then the underscore one button Telegram underscore one the underscore one and my button classroom underscore one. Okay, so because we have to add the label too, na, that's why. Okay, we have to add the label too for it, that's why only. Okay, so let's put it right down here and then the text. So I'm just going to put the text label as Discord 1, Discord 2, then it should be of Telegram. What happened? Once again, the network issue is there. Yeah. Yeah, so it will just took up some more minutes. Some time also it will take for the coding because till now we have only designed it, but we have to do coding too for it. Okay, so let's wait for 1 minute and now let's try because now the network has been come. Yeah, so now it's working. So now label Telegram. Now the label of my classroom too. Okay, and you have to also done here one thing more. Just put it like a transparent. It should be transparent so that it will look better. Okay, so I'm just putting it like transparent, and after that I'm just going to add here in text for it. Yeah, so first let's put it nicely, and after that the click here. First will be the click here, and then the next also click here, click here, and in the next two click it here, click here, and now you just need to put it at the right position so that yeah, so now I think it's nice. Yeah, एंड यूआरएल कैसे डालना है वो जो है बाद में डिस्कस करते. एंड अब जो है मैं बस बैक का बटन डालूंगी. यस, बटन बैक 3. Yeah, so button back 3 and the background color will be like that only. We just need to add the text of back. Yeah, now let's code. We have just done designing too much. So see, first will be the on event. Oh, where is it? Home. Yeah, on event when my button 1 will be pressed. It means button about. Okay, so it means one button about us will be pressed Then my set screen 2. Then just set a screen to the screen about us. And now on event, when they are back one, where is it? Yeah, where will be it? Yeah, back one is pressed. Then just set a screen by button home. Just set a screen about but screen home. Okay, and after that, now let me run it and see. Yeah, back. Yeah, so it is working. And after that, same code for the next two. Just copy paste the code. I'm just copy pasting it. So you just need to copy paste it instead of doing it several times. You can just copy paste it. And now, when my button one about where is it? Yeah, when my button communities is pressed. Oh, sorry, button gallery. Oh, where is the button gallery? Is pressed. Then this set is screen to screen gallery. Sorry, but screen gallery. And now on event when my button back to is pressed, then this screen set screen to screen home only. Now for the next one too, on event when the button, yeah. Okay, now on event when my button the where is it? Yeah, communities is pressed. Then just screen set screen by communities, and when my back three will be pressed, just set the screen to screen home. Now let's see if the code will work. Now, yeah. And now let's do the next thing for our communities. So now let's open the communities screen. Yeah, so here first to back के लिए कर दो. Yeah, back it already. I'm really sorry. Yeah, so on even when my button Discord, button Discord one will be pressed, then just set in URL. Should just set a URL. Get URL or let's use the set URL. Oh, what happened? We just need to find that button. Yeah, sorry, open the URL. I just done a mistake once again. So now let me go to my Microsoft Word. And as in the upgrades, I just forgot to see in the what we have put. So the Discord link I just need to take. What is this? Yeah, so I'm just going to open it, and now I'm just going to take my Discord link. Okay, I have just done it already. I've just copy pasted it so that after I will just do it. You can also do like this. So now let's run and see. Once again the network issue. Let's wait for a minute. Now let me try again. Okay. Please wait a second. Already starting for the inconvenience. Okay, so it should just set this screen to this one. Now let me open it. Yeah, do you want to open this website? Then it will just open my Discord community. Okay, so now just do it for my another ones too. Now let's go back. Yes, it will just open it. Now let me close this tab. Yeah. And now just copy, paste it. Okay, now just copy, paste it. And put it like that. Yeah. Okay, and after that, the button Telegram. One will be pressed, then just open the Telegram. So now my Microsoft Word. Yeah, this one, and I'm just copy pasting this link. Okay, I just done a mistake there. My YouTube channel should be there, but you can just edit it as already I have just put it so many buttons. Now button one classroom will be now when pressed. I'm just opening my Microsoft Word for it. Yeah, my classroom. Yeah, and just put it like this. And after that on event also, when my these will be clicked. Okay, so there is an ID for that one too. Yeah, when my button label Discord will be pressed, then it should also open the URL of my Discord community. And when my wait a second. Okay, so now when my on event, when my label Discord के बाद जो है label Telegram and my label community, sorry, label classroom will be clicked, then what should be happen is firstly तो मेरा Telegram का होना चाहिए open. So my label Telegram, and now when it will be clicked on the classroom, it should open by this one. So from two ways we can just open it, the code. Okay, and the code will work, not to worry. Let's see and run. Now let's run it and see. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, it will just open it. Okay, so this was the today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in the next video.